In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in the AnyDesk application and switch it back to a light theme in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy fix if you prefer a brighter interface or if dark mode makes it harder to see certain menus and buttons. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once AnyDesk is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This menu contains the main options and settings for the app. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the AnyDesk settings panel, where you can customize how the application looks and behaves. Now look for the Theme section, specifically the Theme option for Windows. Here, you'll see different appearance choices. Change the preference from dark mode to light, or choose System if you want AnyDesk to match your computer's overall theme settings. Once you've selected the option you want, AnyDesk may ask you to restart the application to apply the changes properly. If you see that prompt, simply click Restart AnyDesk. The app will close and reopen with the new theme active. After that, you should immediately notice that dark mode has been turned off, and the interface now appears brighter and easier to use. If it doesn't update right away, just make sure the app fully restarts, and then check the appearance again in the display settings. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off dark mode in AnyDesk and switched the app back to a lighter theme. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.